Which one do I pick? Ooh, it's gonna be a double feature. So I got a bunch of stuff in here. Most of it's, you know, like Waco clips and, you know, house stuff. Little spacers for the, for light switches, heat shrink if I need it. I think I have heat shrink in the other box too. But, yeah, it's got old school wire strippers, really old school wire strippers, some zip ties. Anyway, and, oh yeah, like little block connectors and stuff like that, just in case. Which brings me to this, which is every freaking terminal connector piece I have. I think my real problem are these things. So anyway, an electrician buddy gave me a recommendation. He said, get me these by Milwaukee. Oh yeah, nice, very nice. Well, I guess I'll have an update next time I do some car wiring, which is soon, I'm pretty sure. So check back with you then. Just one more question. All right, we're good.